One at a time. Ashley, you go first.
Oh, man. Play with this.
Oh my gosh. Now I know what mine is. My turn? And this side.
You like it?
Yes. My turn.
Yep, it's your turn.
Use it tonight.
Yep, that's what I made it for.
Something really cool.
You like it, Caleb?
Now we can bring our own
Alright,
blankets
Sage,
down
it's
here.
your turn. Your turn, Sage.
She's just like.
I see you.
What you think? Huh?
Thanks for the blanket.
You're welcome, honey.
Is it the same one as mine?
Smaller.
Aw, you like it?
Can we open another one?
Hold on, I want to take a picture of this. This is so cute.
Let's all wrap up in our blankets next to each other. Hold on! Wait for me!
Oh, now you want to get the paper?